What is up, YouTube? This is Black Betty Rambalam. I want to do a quick video today going over the modifications or things I've added to the bed of my truck that I get a lot of questions about on a very frequent basis, so I figured I'd do a video. First thing I've done is I have added a tonneau cover. It's a folding tonneau cover. Sorry my truck's so dirty with all the fires in California right now. It's hard to keep all the ash and stuff off my truck, but this is my tonneau cover. It's folding. This is a LineX product, TruckGear by LineX. I really like this specific tonneau cover because the top is actually sprayed with LineX, like the bed liner. So there's that, as well as it came with lifetime warranty on it. Any issues, you can have approximately 400 pounds up on top of the tonneau cover, especially if it's or specifically if it's the weight's distributed. So I like that a lot. I'll kind of open it up and show it to you. So you have basically this little cable right here. Where is it? There it is, on both sides. Fold it up like so. There's another one here like so. Comes with these nifty little strap clips that you can unclip, snap in like so, if this is all that you wanted to have open. Now, clip that back in there real quick. Alright, so then you can also fold it up one last time, and you have full functionality of your bed. Now it does come with, I don't know if you can see on that side, that little arm. I'll do it on this side. So it just pops out. Pops up like so. Open this. It drops down. Or this little holder pops down. Tighten the screw nut thing. And you do that on both sides. And that keeps this sucker locked in place if you're driving. Helps keep wind from slamming that down. Now, one of the things I really like about this tonneau cover is it locks based on when it's closed. You cannot get to the latch to open it with the little cables. Good shot of the cable. So when you pull the cable, it undoes the latch. I like it because when the tailgate is closed and the tonneau cover is closed, it's locked. Like so. Let me fold this down. Okay. So. Like so. You can't get in there. I mean, if you had a pry bar or something, I'm sure you could get in there. Shouldn't have a problem if you have a pry bar. But it is pretty stout and resilient. The edges are metal to help prevent from cracking and whatnot. It also keeps out, I'd say, probably 95% of the rain. I do get a little bit of rain and water in here, but it's usually in the back of the bed or runs down through these channels. All right, so that is the first modification that I've done. The second one, this lovely DeeZee Tailgate Assist. This thing came out to like 15 bucks on Amazon. Super easy to install. Basically, you take out this bolt that pops off your cable, your tension cable, put this plate in, it screws in with this. You add this little plate. All these parts are included with the kit when you order it on Amazon. Screws that in there. You attach this hydraulic lift, and so normally when you open a tailgate, it slams down. However, with the DeeZee Tailgate Assist, lets it down nice and easy. No bang, no, oh my god, what have I done? So that's the second thing that I'd recommend for your truck bed. That is a glorious thing. You may get teased for it, but everybody's going to be jealous. Alright, the final thing that I've added is a toolbox. Now this is a yellow and black bin. I don't remember what the brand is. You can get them from Costco. I think you can order them online. This is the smaller of the two sizes. I didn't need a full-size big one. I like it because it does keep out all the water. Mine is pretty heavy, so I can actually sit on it because I keep mine full of supplies and whatnot. I went to Lowe's, got this nifty little bungee cord here to strap in the box, just because I don't want to be chasing it all the way back there and whatnot if I slam on the brakes. So, in my toolbox, or emergency kit, or whatever you want to call it, I have a toolbox. This was something my grandpa was getting ready to throw away. So, it's got just about everything in it you could possibly want. No, you're not going to necessarily need a level or a hammer on the side of the road, but I end up using this kit for a lot of different projects. So got all my imperial, metric, screwdrivers, little screwdrivers, pliers, wrench, Allen wrenches, a couple of wrenches, socket driver, spark plug socket. There used to be a little extension bar here. I don't know where that went. And then also one of those screwdrivers that you pop these little nifty little sockets into. Used to have that, but don't know where that's at. So anyway, so I have that. If you have something like one of these all-inclusive kits, as I discovered, it doesn't fit. So just take a razor knife, cut the handle off. You're not really going to need it. The next thing I have this is an emergency kit somebody gave me a while ago. It actually is coming handy. I don't know where it came from, but it's got a tow rope in here, a couple other supplies. I got my jumper cables because I have jumped more vehicles than you can shake a stick at. I have a tow chain in here. I have ratchet straps. As you can see, they're kind of floating around. Ratchet straps. I keep a machete in there. I know that seems very odd to have a machete in your toolbox. However, it's coming quite handy. And then I have this nifty little light. It's magnetic. There's white flashlight, there's strobing red, and then I think there's a solid red. I don't know how to operate it. So those are the things I keep in my toolbox. And just everything fits back in here. I usually have water bottles in here, but needed them for an emergency, so I need to restock that. And then you just slide it back in place, and then you bungee it. I'm not gonna subject you guys to listen to me trying to bungee that. The reason I went with this tote as opposed to one of the like in-bed built-in boxes that swings over the wheel well and whatnot is because I wanted to be able to use my full bed if I was picking up gravel, sand, manure, wood, whatever. I wanted to be able to take this bin out. So if I ever need to fill up the bed of the truck with something, I can take this bin, put it in the cab. I still have all my emergency stuff. I can take it out on the fly, and it does not inhibit my performance or whatever. Alright all, so that's it for this video. I actually got a lot of those ideas off of another YouTube channel. I don't recall the guy's name. I think it was Ryan or something like that, or Richard, something like that. But anyway, so that's my setup that I have with my truck. You wouldn't think that you would use the things that I just listed. You know, that tonneau cover is nice, especially when moving, or you are carrying tools and you don't want somebody to steal your stuff. It's really nice and handy. The tailgate assist, when you have your hands full, you don't want your tailgate to slam down. That's really handy, as well as the tools in my little emergency kit. Those are really handy. I've used those tools more times than you can shake a stick at. All of them, I've used them many times. So that's it for now. I would like to do an onboard air compressor mounted underneath the bed and then have a bib that comes up or a nipple that comes up over in the corner or something like that. For if I find somebody with a flat, that it's just a flat, or their donuts flat like what I experienced a couple nights ago. So have a good one, y'all. Hope this helps inform you on things to keep in the bed of your truck and to do with the bed of your truck.